These are some of the views coming out of Joshua Tree, headed towards San Diego. I'm not exactly sure what mountains those are in the background. We've come down quite a bit in elevation. We're now in the Colorado desert. You can tell by the shrubs and lack of Joshua trees and other tall cactus. Stay tuned. We're on our way to San Diego. Weather's getting nice.
Arriving at address 111.
It's a nice getaway. Yeah.
Arriving at address 111.
Welcome to the San Diego KOA.
There's some bigger cottages there. I guess if you want to rent out for a week.
Here we are in the San Diego KOA. It's actually a Chula Vista.
Nice
Big
place.
Big KOA.
Most people rent these out too. Look at this. Wow. We're at the San Diego Zoo.
Release the birds, everyone, and open the zoo, okay? So have your cameras ready. Here we go. Help us out. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
And there they go. Have a wonderful rest of your day at the world famous San Diego Zoo, everyone.
Biggest naturally not growing here on the back end, huh?
I guess, or just rub it off.
And then there's a younger male. He doesn't have like the date yet. But his name is John.
See, beautiful.
He's sitting there dozing. Boy, he's a big boy.
Oh, he's king of the jungle. Hey, Mr. Lion.
He thinks he's king.
He's king of the jungle.
Yeah, there's the king. She just lets him think he's the king.
No, he's the king. There's the mountain lion.
See why he got his name, huh?
Despite regulations, people illegally hunt this peccary for food. The commercial market for bush meat, which makes the problem worse. Okay, here's Grandpa in front of the polar bears. Grandpa, you look so good. And he's on a baby polar bear. Yeah, after we just watched him, the mama swim. Pretty cool. Oh, there's one up there. See him up there?
Look how big those elands are.
Yeah, I didn't realize they were that big.
Where's the zebra?
Way in the back.
Oh, okay. Oh my God.
Here's the zoo from the tram. Charmaine.
We're having fun. Old Town Saloon over there.
Do what?
Want to go to the courthouse museum?
No. Just tell them where we're at.
We're in Old Town San Diego. The mark of the original San Diego. Look at that. Wouldn't it be cute to have?
Yeah.
Want to get there?
No. How'd you like to go across country in that? How do you like your Airstream?
I like it. It's got a cover on it.
Keep
It's got
shot.
a lot of air conditioning to it too.
Yeah, that'd do real well in Joshua Tree.
Yeah. And there's a blacksmith shop.
Mason School. Sounds familiar. Well, here we are, San Diego Harbor. Look at the old sailboats. We got a cruise ship in. Not exactly sure which one. The San Diego County building, an Art Deco structure built probably in the 30s, I would assume. Kind of cool. Look at that old guy, high spirits. It's a better view of the county building. That's kind of a cool building. Like that Art Deco look. That statue out in front. Galleon and a schooner down there. And the Berkeley Maritime Museum. And a submarine. World War II sub. Steam ferry boat Berkeley was a West Coast built ferry using screw propellers, built in 1898. Looks like an old man of war. The Star of India began life in the Isle of Man in 1863. She's the oldest acting sailing ship in the world. In port was the Holland American ship Oosterdam, getting ready to leave again on a cruise.
These are all apartments now. Apartments and restaurants.
Well, here we are, India Street.
The other side? I thought it was this side.
This is the side. Little Italy in San Diego, looking for our favorite restaurant we found out here several years ago, a little pizzeria. Yeah, it was great pasta.
We haven't had the pizza. I'm sure it's good too.
What are we going to have today?
I don't know. I keep going back and forth. It might be spaghetti and meatballs, or it might be linguine with clams.
That's got to be. You get that, and I'll get the spaghetti and meatballs. We'll do a sampler. You don't know? Little Italy in San Diego, India Street. And here it is, Felipe's. I know.